In a small village, there lived a poor boy named Ayan. His clothes were old, his school bag was torn, and many nights he went to bed hungry. But Ayan had something special, a big dream. He wanted to change his life and help his family. Whenever he shared his dream, people laughed. "A poor boy like you can never achieve great things," they said. Their words hurt him, but he never stopped believing in himself. One evening, while sitting beside a river, Ayan met a wise teacher named Master Rahim. The teacher handed him a small mirror and said, "Look carefully." "What do you see?" "I see myself," Ayan replied. Master Rahim smiled. "Look deeper. Behind your struggles, there is a fire called belief. If you protect it with hard work and courage, it will guide you to success." Ayan never forgot those words. From that day, he studied hard, learned new skills, and worked whenever he could. While others rested, Ayan continued moving toward his dream. Years passed. Slowly, he started a small business. Through honesty, learning, and hard work, that small business grew bigger and bigger. The same people who once laughed at him now respected him. One day, Master Rahim visited him again. "You succeeded because you believed in yourself when nobody else did," he said. Ayan smiled. At that moment, he realized that success does not begin with money. It begins with belief. Moral: never let your current situation decide your future. Believe in yourself, work hard, and keep moving forward.